today's interview is about the SABWiL Human Rights Court that took place the 11th of December 2020, and you were appointed as the senior counsel for the Amicus Curiae.
Yes.
Yes. So, Theshaya, please tell us about your experience pre the court proceedings and post court proceedings.
I've taken part in moot courts before, like several, but this was my first one done virtually, and I thought that in terms from a logistical standpoint, it was very well organized. I really learned a lot. I really enjoyed the fact that there was feedback, I think, so that we as students can improve on our submissions. Normally in moot courts, they just give a ruling. So I think it was really nice for the justices to give us individualized feedback on our oral and our written submissions. I think that was definitely my favorite part. Personally, I don't enjoy the written submissions. I really enjoy the oral submissions in any moot court. It is definitely my strong point. But overall, I think it is very well organized. I think the case was extremely good because it was so relevant to our current times, and I think it is a situation that's going to be relevant for a long time for an extended time in the future. So I think it is a very relevant case in terms of looking at foresight, having foresight as to potential legal arguments. It definitely sets a very good precedent.
Okay, wow, thank you so much for that. My second question to you is, what advice would you give to our next candidates, to one of the law students who has next year?
I definitely think that one of the core pieces of advice would be to just go for it. You have absolutely nothing to lose. Apply. If everything that I do, since starting university, my core motivation has always been, if it's free to apply, then apply, because you have absolutely nothing to lose. And if you win, if you get selected, you get selected, but if you don't, there's always next year. But my mother always says that you can't win if you don't give yourself a chance. So just apply. That's important. It's for yourself, so you need to understand you're doing it for yourself, and just give yourself a chance, because you are worth that, and you never know how good you are unless you try.
True. Thank you for that. I have one last question for you. What lesson are you taking from this whole experience?
I think one lesson would be to, from a legal standpoint, it'll just be to definitely be what is the word? Be versed in relevant legal topics, because every single day, every single situation gives rise to the opportunity for new legal perspective, new legal standpoint, and new legal arguments to be made. So I definitely think that as a law student, I think that the one lesson I've taken is definitely to stay knowledgeable in every single legal situation that arises, because it changes every single day. From a personal standpoint, one lesson I've taken is definitely to believe in myself and to give myself a chance to be the best I can be, because without giving myself by applying, I know it said on the advert, or when the Human Rights Court was advertised, they did say that it's a lot of competition. So there was a moment of doubt, but I am very grateful for giving myself the chance to have this opportunity. It was an excellent opportunity in terms of growing, not only as a law student, but in my personal capacity as well.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. We really enjoyed having you, and we also welcome you.
Thank you for accommodating me. I'm really sorry about all the inconvenience.
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you so much for your time. Congratulations and welcome to the SABWiL alumni family. We look forward to working
Thank
with
you.
you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. All the best to you and your family.
Thank you. Bye.